Good morning, everyone. My name is Somesh Kevlani. I'm the full-time director of Bridge Retail Business Management Private Limited. We are based actually in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and we are working on a platform called Boobay. It's a brand which has been registered, and actually in Boobay is a marketplace platform which helps the nearby stores to get online and basically provides them a support to increase their sales. It is a cashless transactions happens, and simultaneously a cashless contact like the delivery is working on this place. So we are currently in existing in India, and also we are focusing to go with this platform globally. Currently we are also implementing the same in Kuwait. So currently our project is going for Kuwait, and I would like to share you that how this platforms works. So basically the platform is in the website called shopboobay.com, which is basically functioning for globally, and its application is available on the Play Store, on iOS, and Huawei App Gallery also. So you can see the basically website which determines the location of the particular person user. Simultaneously, it is divided by the stores. Whichever person wants to go on which store, it can go. Like for example, currently we are on the starting stage, so we have got a few vendors for this thing. So it works like that. When you click over here, you can select your particular store and you can bifurcate the products which you want accordingly. So now we have got two fresh stores and we are looking into this. How does it works? We have got products and categories and everything is been divided into the particular situations where a customer can order from their particular goods, whichever they want. A whole bifurcation and filtering is done. So what happens that the customer can easily buy the goods from their network or whatever they think so. Here the customer can log in and can place the order. Currently you can see that we are taking this into the consideration of doing globally. So we are launching that in Kuwait also. So the currency level is of KD, that is Kuwaiti dinar. When an order is being confirmed, order is being placed. Now, this is the basically website view. Simultaneously, there is a view of the application. Simultaneously, it works in iOS. Simultaneously, it works in basically in App Store, that is Android, and also on the Huawei platform. Currently, we have also got the backend support for the vendors, which are the nearby vendors. So I would like to show you how does the backend support works. This is an admin module where any order comes, it has been reflected over here and can be seen by the customer, by the vendor, and vendor who to whom the platform is being placed. Simultaneously, any payment which is being received is being delivered over here. For any inventory is to be updated, that is been updated from here. Any vendors are to be added or deducted here. Simultaneously, the customer details are taken over here. Order details are taken over here. Also, any notification if we have to send, we can also generate the reports: sales report, customers report, vendor reports, and order reports. This all is a module for the admin. Simultaneously, there is a module for the vendor too, which helps the vendor to understand that what exactly the situation is and where its turnover is and what exactly is being taken into the consideration. And also it has to be understood that basically the vendor helps to know what exactly the orders are, what its sales amount is, where it has been, and this whole functioning is done. So the what how does the Boobay works is that when the order is placed, the order comes to the platform of the Boobay, informing to the vendor that the order is being raised. The order is raised. After that order, the person vendor has to go on its dashboard and accept the order. So yeah, now you can see that we have placed one order. So there is an acceptance over here. So the vendor accepts the order. A notification goes to the customer that the order has been accepted. Then the vendor has to select that item for delivering. So we are setting it for the delivery, and then a Boobay delivery is sent and confirmed. Now, the customer actually gets informed that the goods are on the process of the delivery. Boobay, on addition to help the nearby customers, nearby vendors, which are basically going with an unorganized retail segment, it also provides an additional support of hyper local delivery services, where any vendor who is willing to go with the delivery, then also it provides. Our target market segment is the supermarkets, small mini supermarkets, hypermarkets, also other platforms, other uh, small retail shops, fashion stores, and other stores which are basically working for this thing. Small vendors which are basically unavailable to go globally or go they increase their sales because of the limited staff, and also because of the basically capacity of expansion. This all support is being provided by the online platform, that is Boobay. Boobay not only supports to the economy of the country, but also it helps to increase the sales of the vendors, which helps to work out with the local vendors who are unable to expand their market. I would suggest that this is our platform, and any queries, please, we can raise for that. Thank you.